Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. Here I have a table. Okay, this is the table, whole table, and I want to remove duplicates from this table. Okay, somehow or accidentally I merged employee data, and the employee data is repeated 2 or 3 times. Okay, now I want to remove the duplicates. So how to do it? Here you have to select, if you select all the table, okay, and duplicates in only name, email, phone and city, then duplicates will not be removed. Okay, then it will give error. Okay, but if you select only data where the duplicates is happened, okay, then only the duplicates will be removed. So you have to select the only data where the duplicates happen, then go to data, in the ribbon go to data, and here you will see remove duplicates option. Just click on it and duplicate will be removed. So like this you can remove duplicates in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.